To get accurate measurements, you will need a pen and paper to write down your client's figure, a fabric measuring tape, an erasable pin to mark the hairline, to locate your client's hairline, you will need find and mark the center of the front hairline with an erasable pen. If you have trouble with locating the front hairline, check out the video we posted for full instructions. If your client prefers to use his growing hairline, mark the position where you'd like the hair system to start. Method 1. Use 4 fingers to locate hairline. Put 4 fingers right above your client's eyebrows, laying your pinky finger across your client's eyebrow, and marking the area where your index finger falls. Step 2. Get the length from front to nape. Measure from hairline at center of forehead straight back, over crown to center of hairline at nape of neck. Method 2. Find the connection of the forehead and cranial tissue. To use this method, you'll need your client to work with you. Ask your client to raise his eyebrows as high as he can without tilting his head back. Step 4. Measure from ear to ear over the top of head. Measure from hairline directly above the ear across top of head, the hairline directly above the other ear. Make sure the soft tape goes straight across the top of the head. Step 5. Measure temple to temple round back. Use the soft measuring tape to size from temple to temple across the back of the head. Step 6. Get the width of nape of neck. Measure the width of the hairline across the nape of the neck. Make sure to take measurements more than once to double check them.